Today, Belvedere Trading is hosting Rewriting the Code in our Chicago corporate office. We have over 40 students here that are going to experience some networking with engineers, traders, and they're going to have the opportunity to shadow the different careers they can find in FinTech.
I believe that having women in technology and trading specifically is a really good way to build wealth. When you get into something as competitive as trading, getting groupthink is a real big problem. And, having like that diverse thought and how do we approach problems and coming up with a better solution is key to being able to be innovative and compete at the highest level.
Belvedere Trading has been an incredible partnership so that our women start to really understand what it is like to work at a firm who does what Belvedere does.
There are very few academic ways that you would learn about the proprietary trading space, and RTC has been a true force in spreading that awareness and how it is a long-term career path if you're a technical student and you want to try something new.
What Belvedere has just done an incredible job of is being able to help the students translate what they have learned in the classroom to how they'd be using those skills in their company.
There are so many incredibly talented students and women early in their careers that are eager to connect with different companies. They are learning about the corporate world for the first time. So this event today has been just incredible to see them be so excited about the potential opportunities and career paths.